Hey everyone, welcome back. We got another hard reset for you. Today we're going to do the Motorola G Stylus 2025. Just got this cool little stylus pen in here. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password and you forgot what it is and you have to do a hard reset, I will show you how to do that. Just a reminder though, when you do a hard reset, you do delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on here, it's definitely gonna get deleted. If you guys haven't yet subscribed, we have a ton more of these hard resets and teardowns coming up, so we'd appreciate that. But let's jump right into this. The first thing we want to do is make sure that the phone is off, and in this case it is. You have your volume up, volume down, and power buttons right there. And what we want to do is hold volume down and power at the same time. And keep holding both of them, and you can let go once you get the bootloader option like that. There we go. From here, we want to use the volume buttons to scroll. Your power button is to select. And we want to scroll down to recovery mode, hit the power button. This should load us right into our bootloader, and we'll show you how to get out of that in 2 seconds. There it is right there. I should say the no command screen. From here, what we want to do is you want to hold power and tap the volume up, and then let go of both buttons relatively quick. So I'm going to hold power, tap volume up, and let go. Main reason you want to let go is because if you keep holding the power, it'll think you're trying to reboot the system because that's the first option, and you have to start the whole process over again. You don't want to do that. So from here, you want to scroll down using the volume buttons to wipe data factory reset. Hit the power button to confirm. Confirm again. So now it's deleting. Should be basically done. Almost. This one might have had a lot of stuff on it. But as soon as it's done, it will get you right back to that same menu, which you just did. And then from here, you can either power off or reboot. I'm just going to power off in this case. If you do reboot, it just loads to the welcome screen, like how the phone was when you first got it and turned it on and set it up. From there, you can navigate it to the home screen and set it up how you wish. But otherwise, this is how we do a hard reset on a Motorola Moto G 5G Stylus 2025. Hopefully you guys found this helpful. If you did, if you could like, share, comment, all that wonderful stuff, we'd definitely appreciate it. Otherwise, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.